Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to find my Roku channel. So if you're on Roku, what you're going to do is you're going to go to search right here and you're going to type in my name, Shawn Pigg, P-I-G-G, so it's S-H-A-W-N, Pigg, P-I-G-G. You're going to see it right there. Then you're going to click on it and you're going to add that channel to your Roku. Once you add it to your Roku and you're on your home page here, you'll be able to scroll down through all of the channels that you have and you will be able to see my logo. So there's Shawn right there. And it should, well, I think I don't know where I hit here. Oh, I went to the ad. There it is. So, and this is my Roku channel coming up. Now, we're still editing it out right now, but as you can see, there's different categories. So here's master closing categories here. You can see here at the top that the description's starting to come in, the titles. Some of them don't have titles yet. Some of them do. See, that just says YouTube. So if you wanted to watch a video, you simply press play video.
Do not be inferior to anybody.
And you can go back, and then over here to the left, you have your home. We have a series, on-demand, live, guide, and settings. Settings, there's going to be some FAQs here that we're adding. You can also have my contact information. You can have the about us, a little more information about me. It is being updated. Privacy policy, and then also a built-in subscription that we're going to be doing here with the QR code. Then we'll also have a guide that's being set up now as well. And we have not done a live one yet. Back to home. So we have different categories here. This video one, I'm not sure why that's there, but you have master closing and motivation. So we will continue to add more as we move through here. The videos are being added now. Some of them, there are some duplicates in there that we're removing, but it is all starting to come in. I ask you to please go there and download the Shawn Pigg Roku channel, and that way you can stay in tune and live on my steps during this incredible journey I'm on.